Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling essentials: mind control meds, a syringe or the inventory use option, and a target PAL with at least 20% HP. Once stocked, make sure the PAL isn't engaged in combat and that you're in a safe, flat area to avoid interruptions. You do not need to explain basic controls. Instead, open the PAL menu and confirm affinity and status effects. Once done, position your camera for a clear line of sight and prepare to apply the med immediately. You apply the mind control med directly via the PAL interaction or syringe. Follow the UI prompt and hit confirm during the timing window. Once control begins, use stabilizing items or buffs, such as calming food or resistance debuffs, to lower the PAL's resistance and extend duration. Make sure to monitor the control meter continuously. If it dips below safe thresholds, reapply another med or bolster with supportive actions. This keeps the PAL responsive and prevents sudden breaks, and you finish by reinforcing control. Give commands that build affinity and perform calming actions so the PAL gradually accepts you. If control breaks, immediately disengage, heal the PAL's HP and remove negative statuses, then wait around 30 seconds before trying again to avoid heightened resistance. Make sure to save once control is stable and log med counts because repeated use raises resistance. One key troubleshooting tip: if the PAL shows repeated breaks, switch to lower intensity meds and slowly increase affinity first to stabilize long-term control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.